Hi, I'm Kevin King with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to go over the Lennox Y6608 maintenance kit, and it's for the Lennox PCO3-20-16. And this is the filter that comes in it. We'll start with, it's a MERV 16 filter. It's one of the Lennox carbon clean filters. So it's got carbon on one side with the plastic staves, and then on the other side, it's got the front side has the pleats to the filter. So the airflow direction is going to go this way from the front to the back. The size of the filter is 20 by 26 by 5. The model number is Y6604. And if you just need the filter, you can order it by the model number Y6604. The size that I gave you is a nominal size, which is a rounded size, and that's 20 by 26 by 5. The actual size of the filter is 20 by 25.5 by 4 3/8. That's what it's listed as on Lennox. You do need to use this filter. There's not another replacement currently. If there is another replacement, we will list it for you in the description of this video or in the products. If you're on our website, we have all the Lennox maintenance kits. They make them in several different sizes. So you just want to make sure you get the right part number. So this is for the Y6608, and the actual filter for it is the Y6604. So it can be a little confusing. The other parts that come with this is the PCO photocatalytic cartridge that comes with it. This is the box for Y6607. You'll notice this is the part out of the box. So this is about the same width as the filter, which is about 20 inches. So this is the actual part that comes with it. Then it comes with one bulb, which is this part right here. And this is the part number for the bulb, which is X8794. And that'll be right on the end of the box. This is a mercury bulb, so it will degrade over time, and it's a UV bulb, but it may last longer than 1 year, but you want to replace it after a year because UV bulbs degrade over time, so it's not going to have as much power as the life of the bulb goes on, and that's why it's an annual maintenance replacement. So the same thing with the PCO. The filter, if you're in a high dust environment, normally it lasts under normal conditions for a year, but a high dust environment may need to be replaced more frequently. So if you just need the filter, again, it's Y6604. We'll have links to all the different products. They're all available on atomicfilters.com, but there'll be links in the video if you click on products in the video, or if you click below the video in the description. If you're on YouTube, you can see all the links in the product as well. If you're on our website, you can just search for the individual part numbers or for the kit. And again, last time the part numbers are Y66. The part numbers are Y6604 for the filter, Y6607 for the catalytic filter, and for the bulb, it's X8794. And then if you just want them all together in the kit, it's Y6608. Thanks for tuning in. You can find all of these products at atomicfilters.com. Thank you.